Hey guys, Carl's from the HID factory, and today I have this Chevy Silverado Text Edition. What we did on this vehicle we had is we got this customer's stock headlights. We opened them up. We blacked out his side markers. These are usually amber plastic. We went ahead and made them completely black. Another thing we added to his low beam was a projector. So instead of having an open housing, we went ahead and did the projector on that one. And as you can tell, the back of the bezel is actually black. We left a little bit of chrome trim on there just to match a little bit of the front of the truck. And as you can also see, we did the halos. And I'll go ahead and wait until y'all back up to show you those halos on. So the halos are actually controlled by an app. We go ahead and turn the app on, turns the halos on, and these are color shift as well. So any color you want, we can do the fade where it looks like the vehicle's breathing. We can do the strobe. And again, just number of features you can do through the app. You can even download some music, do whatever you need to do. Let's put it back on solid. Let's get a red on there. Try to get red, yeah. So you kind of have to play with it, get right in it with whatever color you want. Right now I'll leave it red. One other thing I like about these halos is they're actually switchback. So when you go to turn, let's say we're making a left-hand turn, the amber will blink, it'll blink amber. Then when you're done with your turn, it goes back to whatever color you had it. And let me show you that on the right side. Let's go ahead and switch into blue. It doesn't matter what color you're on, it'll do it with any color. Let's see that right-hand turn. You get your amber, when you're done with your turn, you're back. Again guys, these halos are vehicle specific. For this one, they're at kind of a U cutoff. But again, we have the round ones, we have all the vehicle specific, or we can make, we have universal ones that we can adapt to any vehicle. So yeah guys, any projects you have, anything you have coming up, you can see what we're working on our Facebook page. You can see all our videos like this one and anything we upload on our YouTube. It's YouTube, the HID factory. And then also, check us out online. Any product we have here, any product we show you, we actually have it in an online store. And that online store again is thehidfactory.com. Thanks again, guys.